guys, welcome back to another video with legit Colleen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to stop Facebook from tracking you outside of the app, and this is true, so just follow along and share to help somebody. So first you want to go to your Facebook app, wait for that to open up, then you want to go to the bottom 3 lines, go to settings and privacy, settings, then you want to go all the way down to your Facebook information, then go to off Facebook activity, and as you can see, just as I suspected, these are all websites or things I've been on. The first one is Fiverr, College Board, Tree Hut. There's even Wix.com, Instacart, which I used like a week ago. So that's pretty scary. So you want to click clear history and then clear history again. And now it says you have no available activities to show at this time. Next, you're going to go to more options, manage future activity, manage future activity, and then turn that off and click turn off. So they won't track you outside of the app, because honestly, you're not even using the Facebook app and it's tracking you outside of it. These are for ads and all those stuff, but I don't even use my Facebook, and that's how much information they had on me. Like, that's crazy. So share this with someone, because like this is just crazy, but we already knew that was happening, but still. So share this with somebody that should know, wants to know. Just spread the word, basically. Okay, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment down below or your thoughts on this, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all.